I'm Karen Stanger and welcome back to Conquer Crochet. This video I'm going to tell you all about the brand new free Conquer Crochet Advent Calendar. So each day up to the 24th of December 2023 a new door will be opening revealing a free gift. This free gift will either be crochet related, well-being related, Christmas related, or all three. The calendar is hosted on a secret website and you can click the link in the descriptions below and you can sign up for the secret website. Each day a new door will be unlocked revealing your free gift. The website will stay live until the end of December 2023, so if you are watching this in the middle of December or even after Christmas, you're still able to sign up and to get all the free gifts, and you can then use them for next year. There is no time pressure to make anything with this calendar. It's all about getting yourself organised, getting yourself into the right headspace and just enjoying this magical time of year. Please feel free to share the link with all your crocheter friends and share out on social media. If you do sign up to the Advent Calendar, I'd love to see how you get on with the free gifts, so that would be really useful. I am at Conquer Crochet on all the social medias. Normal service will resume next week with the continuation of our current stitch tutorial series. So I will see you next week for that video. I'll pop 2 more videos on screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!